If you're looking to customize your system as per your taste, you should definitely try this software. What this software does is it sets a live wallpaper on your desktop that doesn't eats up a lot of your RAM or memory or your CPU usage, and it makes it looks 100 times better. So all you have to do is head over to the description, download the software called Wallpaper Engine. And as soon as you extract it, you will be able to install it using the exe application. Once you have installed it, head over to the description once again and download all the wallpapers. The wallpapers that are already present there, you need to extract them anywhere you want, and then you need to move it to the location where your wallpaper engine has been installed. So for me, it's installed under program files, wallpaper engine, and then you need to head over to projects, my projects, and then you're going to paste this folder exactly like this. Do not change or add anything inside this folder, just paste them as it is. And then as soon as you will start your wallpaper engine app, you can right click on the icon from the taskbar and you can hit on change wallpaper. So whatever wallpapers you'll be putting inside the folders will be visible here. So you can select any wallpaper you feel like, whatever you want. You can set the volume of the wallpapers. I mean, some of these wallpapers even have music. How cool is that, right? And you can change the play. You can go ahead and play with these settings. I'm not going to show and waste your time with that. And as soon as you set the wallpaper, there it is. Your system is looking 100,000 times better than before. Thank me later. Do like this video and subscribe the channel. See you. Bye.